So after moving each cam by 30 degrees with respect to the previous one, or I had been adding 30 degrees starting from the first cam, that is the middle cam. So finally it was around 240 degrees that I had to add for the last cam to move. So this is the system I have got pattern. So all these cams, I'm going to mirror them this side. So for that I need this plane. Okay. So all this will be even on the other side. So for that I'm going to select all these together from the browser. Just click the first one. Keep the shift button pressed in your keyboard and then select the last one. Then all of them will be selected. Then go for create mirror. You can do it either way. You can first select this mirror tool and then select all the bodies also which you want to mirror. And select the mirror plane. Here is my mirror plane and then click OK. Now you have got this pattern. Okay, now let's save this file. Okay, I'm going to open a new file called, and I'm going to save this as multiple cams assembly. Just check if it is in the same folder or not. Yes, it is. So first of all, here I'm going to bring support. Okay, and this support I'm going to ground because this should not move. Now I'll be bringing the cam, rods and cams assembly. This is actually an assembly, but I have created it only like one component because anyway it is going to move together. For manufacturing, the considerations will be different. But right now for a virtual product, everything is going to move because it is going to be attached to the cam rod. All the cams will be attached. So this is just one component and I'm clicking OK. Like how we have done previously, I'm going to use joint option and I'm going to align these two. So this is my cam and I'm going to offset this a little bit. I think it should be 50 minus 50 and then I'm clicking OK. So if you see here, the distance for the follower will be very less so that this follower moves. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for this support. I can edit the support here also. So I'm going for editing the support over here. Okay, it is saying that it is going to be editing in place over here in the assembly itself. I'm saying OK. Or you can even edit the support part as a separate file and then those will be reflected in this assembly. So, but here what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the height of this. So I'm going to go here and say this should be around 600. Okay, and because this has increased, now we need to increase this one also. So let's see where we have placed this one. This one we had copy pasted. So I'll double click this one. So I had moved this one. So I can use again the move option. So here let me see which body it is. So this is the body. So I'm going to move this body. Go for move option and I can move it here. Then click. Okay, let us see if it has come exactly there or not. Let's keep it in wireframe. And you see it is interfering here. So let me give it as 180. That's 200. Yes, but 200 is exactly at the top. Okay, and we see that this hole also has moved, but the hole should be somewhere in the center of this. So for that, I'm going to inspect and I'm going to see that this length is 600. So this hole which we had created, it is going to be at 300 distance from the top. Okay, then go for finish sketch. Now it is in the center. Now you might be feeling that these two are offset to each other, but everything will be rectified. So I'm just clicking here. You can see that everything has been changed. Okay. So now we have to see how the followers have to be created. So let's create one follower for the middle one. Let's check the distance. So the distance can be, the follower can have a width of around this, that is 100, and this diameter, that is 30. So I'm saving this file because currently this assembly is done, but we will be creating the follower and then again bringing back that follower inside this assembly. So here there are multiple cams. It is saying I have updated it.